Welcome to this episode of Tech Waves. Today we're diving into an exciting tool that simplifies the app development process, bknd. If you're a developer or just tech curious, stick around because this is going to be a whirlwind tour of what bknd has to offer. So let's begin with the basics. What exactly is bknd? Well, it's a back-end solution designed to speed up your app development by providing a fully functional back-end out of the box. Imagine you're building a digital product. You know you need both the back-end, the logic, and the front-end, how it looks and feels. But building the back-end can be a daunting task, right? That's where bknd shines. It takes away the complexity, allowing developers to focus on creativity and functionality without getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty details of authentication or database management. Now, here's an interesting point. Developing a back-end from scratch requires a wealth of knowledge. And let's be honest, it can feel like assembling IKEA furniture without the instructions. You think you're done, and then there's always that extra screw lying around. With bknd, you get an instant backend equipped with a full REST API, which lets you define, query, and control your data effortlessly. Plus, adding reliable authentication strategies or managing media files becomes a breeze. It's like having a well-organized workshop where all the tools are right at your fingertips. But what makes bknd even cooler? It's built on web standards, which means you can deploy it nearly anywhere, including within your existing framework. That is such a game changer. Imagine this. Whether you're running a JavaScript runtime or a React framework, you can whip up a backend in no time and watch it meld with your front end seamlessly. Pause for a moment. Okay, so let's dig into some features. One standout is the integrated admin UI. This is not just a nerdy detail. It allows you to manage your data through a graphical user interface. Many developers might shy away from complex configurations, but with bknd, it's like flipping a light switch instead of fumbling around in the dark. It's straightforward. Now, if you're thinking, what if I'm not using a JavaScript environment? Well, no worries. The REST API can be accessed from any environment. So whether you're using curl like an old school coder, or leveraging the TypeScript SDK with that lovely type safety feature, bknd's got you covered. And here's a little fun tidbit. When it comes to incorporating media uploads, you can easily do that without diving into the API details. It's as simple as dropping a component into your code. Imagine how appealing that might sound to a developer who just wants user experience to shine without the back-end fuss. Now, for those of you who are itching to get started, bknd makes it super easy. You can spin up an instance really quickly. It's like preparing a quick meal when you're starving. Just a few steps and you're ready to dive in. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the core benefits here. bknd offers a streamlined, efficient way to develop both front-end and back-end without the usual headaches. It's fast, it's flexible, and it puts the developer first. So, for our audience, whether you're an aspiring developer or an experienced pro, bknd might be a tool worth exploring in your next project. Thanks for tuning into Tech Waves. If you're intrigued by bknd or have any thoughts about simplifying app development, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep innovating, and don't forget, tech is not just what you do, it's a way to express your creativity.